Hello Silver Squad, welcome to my channel guys. Hope you're gonna love this video. Welcome to another new video guys. If you're a new subscriber, can you hit that subscription button, like the video, comment down below guys, and tell me how do you think about my video. Rate me guys and tell me what should I do and what should I not do in my video. So guys, on today's video it's a really some vlog. I'm starting this vlog on date 6 on a Friday, right? On a Friday, 6th of February, on a Friday. So, and I'm here in my showroom, just guys. I feel like I'm not functioning well. My tooth is aching so badly. I have a headache, and I'm supposed to do some clients work over here. Yeah, so I have to do the necessary. So I'm here in the workshop and I thought I could do an intro. Yeah, and guys, I did my hair guys. Tell me about my hair. Is it growing? Am I correct? I love to style my hair if you like them. I love the castel. Yeah, and I'm here in the workshop guys. Yep. Hi Silver Squad guys. Today is on a Saturday. And guys, I'm about to do my laundry and I thought that guys I could shoot doing laundry with you guys, because it has been a minute since I posted guys. I guess I'm going through a lot, which I'm gonna be talking about in this video, what's going up and what's happening. Yeah, but before that guys, let us go and do our laundry 1 2 and 2. Yeah, my house is clean. It's already clean guys, as you can see. Everything is in its place. So let us go and clean everything, the uniforms, the everything. My child is not at school, so she has gone. I'm gonna be taking her today to the salon to get her hair ready. Yeah, so first of all, let's guys go and do 1 2 1 2 and do the round. Hope guys you are seeing the detail of it. Juice Night Serum Almeni, but this one, so I'm done. That's all. Let me apply my lip gloss. I'm using this one. It's about to end. Aka kitu karikataria hapa, so I'm using it like this because I can't throw it away. Yeah. Feel like my lips are so dry, guys. My lips are so dry. I don't know why my phone is taking camera hivi. Wewe nachukua camera hivyo. Don't like it, but I'm gonna wipe it. Guys, I bought this eye pencil for my lips. Let's do it. Using the hand. I guess I'm set and ready, guys, to go to my workplace. So guys, let us meet there. Yeah, let me wear a sweater because I'm not coming back. I'm not coming back early, guys. As I told you guys, we're gonna be talking about what's happening, guys, because I'm not posting. I'm not feeling like shooting videos. I told you guys it's like I'm depressed. Reason being, watch to the last video, guys. Gonna know the reason as to why I'm so depressed. Good morning, hoping you guys are doing fine. Today being on a Sunday, guys, is the continuation of the vlog, and I want us to clean my fridge together. As you can see, I'm in my fridge, guys. This is the freezer. I usually don't put anything in the freezer. I don't try because I can't boil peas. I can't boil beans because they're gonna get bad when they are here, because we buy beans here at very affordable prices, guys. So where I usually store things, this is where if I need cold water, this is where I usually put. But when I'm not in need of cold water, it stays like that. But the most used part is the fridge. So let's clean my fridge, guys, and arrange it with you. Hope you're gonna enjoy. So let me know where to trace the camera, then I'm gonna be back. So this is my fridge. gonna be restocking it together. So let me show you the fridge. This is where I place my nyanya. I don't have, I'm gonna go and restock my nyanya. So hakuna kitu guys. In the delivery video guys, and let me tell you guys, God did miraculous. Like there was no struggling in giving birth guys. That's how God gonna surprise you. That's how God gonna gonna make your life so smooth if you trust in Him and you be so faithful. So guys, keep trusting, because even me, I'm a witness of God, that God does. Because yesterday I was waiting on God. My hustle has been so down, but yesterday I saw God, because yesterday I got a customer, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy guys. So guys, subscribe, like and comment and share guys. Yeah, let's meet into the next video. Bye.